Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Leonderis, Medical Director of RMF Connecticut. Did you know you could find your latest clinic success rates on SART.org? SART stands for the Society for Assisted Reproductive Technologies and is a community of clinics where you can find stats like number of births, number of yearly transfers, national averages, and other important clinic markers. Clinics that choose to participate in SART hold themselves to the highest standards. They must advertise truthfully and must work with nationally accredited laboratories. So a SART clinic is an honest clinic. Let's learn how to read the data together by using RMF Connecticut's data as compared to national SART averages. As the medical director of an IVF clinic since 1999, my responsibility for years has been count the numbers. And numbers matter to me. I love numbers. I actually spend a lot of time on a daily basis in one Excel spreadsheet or another. So SART statistics are important to me, and they should be important to patients. At the end of the day, every clinic is a unique microcosm of patients, and each clinic has to focus on their own results, but SART as an organization serves to keep us all together focusing on patient results and quality. As you make your way through the site, you'll be asked to choose a year to look back on. 2017 is the most recent year with final data. Why? Because fertility cycles are complicated. Since the broad integration of frozen embryo transfers, which can be the year after the initial year of embryo creation, and the fact that it takes 9 months to have a baby, and another number of months for SART to collect the information to properly present it. The most complete data set out there is from 2017. Back to SART, you'll see 1,863 total cycles for RMF Connecticut in 2017. This is called the Clinic Summary Report. It's a lot to take in, and SART makes it easy for you to understand all this data. Check out the snapshot report to find the clearest data points that matter the most to you. So first, let's look at the most basic number, live births per new patient. In other words, what's your chance of a live birth when you do IVF at this clinic? Here you'll see RMF Connecticut's percentage for a live birth for a new patient under 35 is 74.5%. That means that almost 3 out of 4 patients that start with our clinic have a baby. That's as compared to the national start rates, where 68.5% of patients in age group less than 35 had a live birth. I encourage you to check your clinic's snapshot report for more clear data points. Another data point to check is the twin birth rate. This can be found on the larger clinic summary report. Many patients think that having twins is exciting or preferred, but the reality is it poses major risks to both the mother and the babies. We don't want to put the mother or the baby in any danger, so we strive for one healthy baby at a time. So historically, over the past 30, 40 years of in vitro fertilization, we've transferred many embryos, 2, 3, or 4. And with the improvement in the quality of the IVF laboratory, the number of embryos transferred has gone down dramatically, and so has the number of twin births. SART is committed to reducing the number of twin births in order to maximize the goal of one healthy baby at a time. When you look at RMF Connecticut's twin rate for 2017 in the live birth per new patient category, we reported a twin rate of 4.5%. That's as compared to the national statistics for live birth per new patient in ages 35 to 37, which reported a twin rate of 11.2%. It's interesting to look further, and you can see the difference in the numbers of embryos transferred. You can also look at the difference in implantation rates. And this gives you a measure of the success per embryo at your individual clinic as compared to the national data set. So as you look at your own individual clinic and you personalize it to your own age group, you can get a better idea about the success that you may have per embryos transferred by looking at the implantation rate, and you can better understand the practice at that clinic on how often they transfer one embryo or more. For our data in full, visit SART.org and go to the Find the Clinic tab and search under Connecticut. And at the end of the day, our success is your success, your baby. And we're so happy and thrilled to help you get there. We hope that this has given you a starting point with SART and you feel confident picking the clinic that's best for you wherever you are in the country.